This is Ashley for the Super Trendy Moneymaker channel, and I want you to please like, comment, share, and subscribe, especially if you're new to this channel, because I'm about to give you a ton of value. Hey YouTube, this is a quick update showing you proof that I'm actually getting paid from the Affiliate Profit Club 3.0. There's somebody in my YouTube comment that asked me, like, since I'm getting all these results, am I actually getting paid? And this is proof right here. So I got paid from the AfroCents marketplace that's connected to the Affiliate Profit Club 3.0, and I got about $222. And that was 2 weeks ago. But in a couple of days, I'm getting this amount. $519.62. And look how much I'm generating currently. So let me refresh this right real quick, see if there's any more changes. Yep, 14. $886.14. So it just keeps on going every single time. Either 1 cent, 8 cents, 30 cents, 35 cents, 70 cents, $1, you name it. And as a matter of fact, I've been getting sales from referrals. I got 2 referrals that got me that boost me up. Where I had like about $700 and it boosts me up to $800. And I also did a campaign on the email PPC, which is my favorite when it comes to the email marketing side. And I'm going to show you a unique traffic source you can take advantage of to get passive income. We don't have to pay for solo ads. Like if you don't have the budget, but you can pay $4.95. So stay tuned for that. So first, I want to show you on the Affiliate Profit Club 3.0 that, you get access to this whole entire back office for free. But I highly recommend when you go to step 1 and follow the video steps, all 5 steps. Not only do you get paid 20% of the commissions for free, but I could go up to 75% commissions. And if you have the money, you definitely want to go all in for $47 one time. You can get the bonus traffic, as you can see here. And then, in addition to step 2, sign up the affiliate network, the AfroCents network marketplace, where they track all the data in your results. And also, is the reason how you get paid. So as I showed you the proof that I got paid to Wise. So you definitely want to check on step 2, get approved for that. And then step 3, what you want to do is go for the PPC and pay per lead income streams. You pay $37 one time, even if you don't have the budget for upgrading to get 75% of commissions. You still will get paid earning from traffic exchange websites, Safelist, and social media websites between 8 cents to even 1 cent. And that depends on the tier countries, whether it be America, Australia, Canada. Those are tier 1 countries, and it can be as low as from India and Nigeria to 1 cent. So you get the memo when it comes to that, depending on the traffic. But that all adds up. But these are my favorite 2 products right here: the Solo Email PPC, which you get 35 cents, not 30 cents. And then pay per lead program, which you get between 70 cents or $1. So these 2 are great, because this one is all about clicks. So people will click right before they subscribe to anything. Even though this is great, this is the best. Number 2 is the best. You want to focus on that, because that's where you get most of the results. That and referrals, which is a major plus. And I'm going to show you, before I show you that awesome traffic source. So if you go to wholesalepremiumtraffic.com, I have the link down there below in the description. And what you want to do, to get this going to work out for your traffic is you want to go to quality unique traffic, and all these clicks are lower than how much you're earning. So that's the reason why I said mention about unique quality unique traffic. So you get 80% tier 1 traffic, and you probably get like the 20% of between tier 2 tier 3. But if you were to like pay the lowest, right, $68 for 200 clicks, not only would you get your ad spent back, but also 10% more. So instead of 200 clicks, you get 230 clicks, and like it's only 34 cents per click. So you definitely make your money back, which is really cool. And if you go as low as 32 cents per click for 2,500 clicks, you get more than that, and you like you literally pass your ad spend with this from the 10% over delivery on all of them, which is really cool. And the traffic source I really want to show you is Click Engine. I also have the link down below in the description. And what I recommend for this right here, even though it's $4.95 per month, it's really a cheap traffic source, but with high quality leads. It's basically people who have affiliate offers, CPA offers, many offers that they promote that are going through the Click Engine. That's pretty much what the high quality leads are. People like you and me. And this is Jeff Amen's product. It's an awesome product. And this will work really well with the email PPC or the pay per lead. And what you want to do is when you make a purchase, either you purchase for 1 slot or 2 slots, which I recommend 2 slots, or even 3 if you want to go all in. I only did 2 slots. You basically email your links, and then go through these emails. Look for these Click Engine emails, and take your time. Don't go through it too fast, because or these links won't work. So these are randomized links to other members. So you say, please click here to view other members' pages and have a chance to get your URL spotted. So I click here. Sometimes some people's links are messed up, but that's the way it is, depending on who has their links in there. And others got their links straight. But if you've been doing this, staying active within his email messages, you basically will earn a spot between either spot 1. I think this is reserved for people who purchase more than upsells. They'll be able to always get this spot, which is really powerful. And then you got Spotlight 2. I think I was on Spotlight 3 a couple times. So even with the spotlights, I'm getting views and clicks. So this is passive income every month for me. For 35 cents, which is really good. So with this though, yeah, you want to take your time clicking these links. So it's like randomized links to different offers. Oh, this is a YouTube video. That's funny. So I would recommend a traffic source like this I had to show you. And then there's others like Scale Up, basically like a Safelist. We can create a post like this, and you basically going through these ads. Wait like about 10 seconds, and meanwhile you do that though, like just like Facebook, you can like the post, and you can message the person too, which is really cool. If you're interested in the offer, and then click next, and rinse and repeat. So that's pretty much when it comes to this too. So I don't want to make this video too long, but that's really what I want to show you too. Is not only I'm showing you the results and the payment proof that I got from this offer, but I'm showing you the traffic. Some of the traffic sources I'm going to use it, so, and which I highly recommend for you. And in my next video, I'm going to be more in-depth look with these traffic sources as promised. So you exactly understand what you're doing. when it comes to promoting the Affiliate Profit Club 3.0 to get results right away. So without further ado, thanks for watching. If you like what you see and you have a mega ton of value from this video and you want to see more videos like this in the future, when it comes to my updates on the Affiliate Profit Club 3.0, where you can get results just like me on a daily basis, I want you to do me a favor. To help the YouTube algorithm of this channel, I want you to please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the link down below to get access to the Affiliate Profit Club 3.0. And if you can't go all in on the Affiliate Profit Club 3.0 following all the steps, I want you to go all in on step 3. This is where you can get results right away, especially the way how it's set up. I recommend that for you as a complete beginner or experienced marketer who haven't made a single cent online. You'll make not only sense, but AdSense on steroids. So without further ado, thanks for watching.